Hello, everyone, and welcome to Tree of Life Nursery, where we are very excited to host a California Native Plant Society sponsorship week. It's going to be held April 19th through the 24th, where a portion of the proceeds are going to go towards supporting our local chapters. So, without further ado, I'd like to introduce our local Orange County chapter of the Native Plant Society. I have with us Brad Jenkins, the president, and he has a little message for us.
Hi, I'm Brad. I'm here to entice you to become a member, probably. But first, let's find out if there's a reason to get connected and tell you just who we are. We are nature people. And when I say nature people, that means anywhere from gardeners to people interested into rare plants, conservation advocates, and even people who are interested in birds and insects because they understand the connections between plants, habitat, and the larger ecosystems. So, if you're still listening, now let me tell you about the benefits of membership. And it starts with Flora Magazine. This is full of photos, information, fun articles and activities. And we call it the intersection of plants, people, and special places in California. If you want more, something deeper, we also have a scientific journal currently called Primatia. It's being updated and we call something else later today. And this is where you find in-depth articles and scientific insights. And these are articles written by today's top experts in native plants and nature. Next, 35 chapters. We have 10,000 members. And this is where things get local. This is where we have the local meetings, local field trips, local activities, and local knowledge. And discounts. Partner organizations with CNPS give discounts. In fact, right here at Tree of Life Nursery, where we are right now, if you have your membership card, they will give you a 10% discount on your plant purchases here. And that is very useful for some of us who have very native plant gardens.
And Brad, real quick, that is throughout the year. Anytime, not just through the sponsorship week, all CNPS members can get that 10% discount.
Good. The final thing I want to talk about is networking, and that's getting connected with people who have similar interests as the rest of us. And just to let you know, as I'm going around and talking with people, I find all sorts of people from hikers, gardeners, conservation advocates, botanists, biologists, landscapers. We're all right here in the society, and you can meet them and talk with them too. So, if you're still listening, I want to point you to here, and you can either sign up or learn more about our organization, CNPS, California Native Plant Society.org. Hope to see you on the trails or in the garden.
All right, so here we are with everything that we love and enjoy, the plants. So I'm here to introduce Dan Songster, the horticultural director of the Orange County chapter of the Native Plant Society. So Dan, tell us a little about what we have here today.
Well, we've got great native plants. We've selected a few that Tree of Life is growing that'll be available during those weeks or during that week. And I think some of the best ones are, of course, our Dudleya stolonifera. This is our chapter logo plant, and it's only found in Orange County.
That's correct.
Yeah, and to have this for sale is a rarity. There's a few things like that I think if they come, this will be their one chance to get certain things. There's other Dudleyas, but also look at this, Dutchman's pipe. One of the swallowtail that lays its eggs only on this plant, the Dutchman's pipe. So this is an excellent plant, has a beautiful flower that's very strange looking, looks like it should be eating something, like a carnivorous flower, but it's not. Our chapter Dudleya that the state is giving us, Dudleya edulis, ladyfinger Dudleya, and you can see why it's called that. Very dainty little fingers there. Of course, we have our heucheras, but also our fire poppies. Now, this is something you don't find very often. It's a fire follower. It's a true California native, and it's an annual. But if you grow it, the seeds for next year will be coming out of these little things, and you'll have them in your garden for years. It's a great plant. And Monardella. This is, what is the common name on this?
This one I think it is red buckwheat, or red coyote mint, or mountain coyote mint I think was another name, but just that.
Hummingbirds love it. The hummingbirds go nuts for this. And again, this is a plant not normally found in the trade. There is a cultivar sometimes found, Marion Sampson. I think this is a straight species. I've got this growing at home in a container. It's doing great.
Yeah, I do as well. And really fragrant too. I noticed as you picked that up.
You smelled it?
Oh yeah.
Even through the mask, I can smell it. So that's pretty good. So you can see some of the plants are all healthy material here. Everybody's here to help you. You can find all the plants you want and enjoy, and you'll be supporting our CNPS chapters, the local Southern California ones. Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you, Dan. Yeah, we for this event, we were really excited, and in celebration, what we decided to do was try to grow a lot of our real local species here, as well as some very kind of rare and unique things that you will not usually find available in the horticultural trade. So they're just nice little special treasures that you could find when you come down for this plant sale. Dan, appreciate you guys all coming down, and we hope to see everyone soon.